Welcome back. Now I forgot what part. Oh yeah, we're on part 3. I'm just now finishing up the wheels. My hands are freaking froze. It's kind of cold out. The sun is out, but it's like not warm enough to actually be happy with. And this weather right here would not be the type of weather to do any kind of waxing. Because waxing, you spray it on, it's hard to get off. Even with quick wax, there's no doing it. Okay, well, I am finishing up this last round. Oh, and my fingers are hurting. And I don't want to do this anymore. But I gotta finish because I already got paid. Oh, I can't stand it when I see dirt. And it means I gotta spend longer time on the vehicle. Sorry, you were looking at the ground. I'm too busy trying to get this up. Oh man, I can't do it anymore. Alright. Last. Please let it be. Let it be the last one. No. Fingers, stop doing that. Stop. Alright, well, that person's honking at that person. You know, maybe they might be parked. And they feel like a doofus. No, the guy did. The guy wasn't parked. Okay, so there you have it. Part 3 of finished product. My hands are freaking frozen. And I'm still messing with it. It's got to be perfect, man. It's got to be the Dirt Bandit way. Perfect. So, let's go back over the car to see if there's anything I did miss that I have to go back over. I'll be out in the crease. Alright. Oh, wait. Blemish. Oh, that was already on there. It's not coming off. Oh, well. Okay. Nope. And nope, that ain't coming off. That is definitely not coming off. I tried. I really worked at it. Still got a lot of chips. There's a spot I missed. Come on. Get in there. No, that's not. Hold on. There we go. It's clean. Is it really clean? Okay. Make sure that is fixed. Okay. God, this chamois so cold on my hand. Alright. Still looking good. Hi, Matt Titus. Hi. Got my DB on my forehead here. Gotta advertise every chance I get. You know, when you might come across someone that wants it done, you gotta be like, you know, when you do perfect work, you have to be, you know, on your best behavior, because bad news, bad stuff, if you do something bad, it travels faster than good. So,